How to rid flies from euonymus. Euonymus plants are bushes that are attractive and suitable for yards and gardens as shrubs or hedges. The bushes are large with very shiny leaves that are often green with yellow edges. The euonymus plant will often attract flies, bees and other flying insects. Although there are many insecticides available in stores and online, you can make a homemade formula that is all natural and chemical-free. The formula can be made in batches and used for multiple sprayings. Things you'll need: 3 ounces minced fresh garlic cloves, 3 ounces minced hot pepper, 4 tablespoons mineral oil, large jar, 2 teaspoons liquid dish soap, garden sprayer. Place 3 ounces minced fresh garlic cloves, 3 ounces minced fresh hot pepper and 4 tablespoons mineral oil in a large jar. Allow the garlic and pepper to sit in the oil for 24 hours. Strain the garlic and hot pepper pieces out of the jar and add 1 pint of water and 2 teaspoons liquid dish soap. Mix well, replace the jar lid and store in room temperature between uses. Pour 4 tablespoons of the garlic pepper mixture into a garden sprayer, along with 2 pints of water. Spray the euonymus plant thoroughly, making sure to get all the foliage and around the bottom of the plant. Tips: warnings. Give the euonymus bush a fresh coat of garlic pepper spray after rainfall, waterings or heavy condensation.